Welcome to Tools for Teens, where the smart gets smarter. This lesson is related to Unit 11, where we talk about career choices. Let's see what you need to focus on to ride the wave in an age of AI. Welcome back to Tools for Teens, and in this lesson, we will be discussing this topic of what will be difficult for AI to disrupt in the near future. I'm emphasizing this word near because it's anybody's guess what happens 10, 15, 20 years out into the future. So we're not even going to touch that. And before we start this conversation, I think it's a good idea to just not assume anything. Okay. With AGI coming soon and ASI, that's also on the cards. Three big things that I think AI will have a lot of difficulty at replacing within the next few years. The first one is physical human touch. Think about a nurse, think about a primary school teacher. Now, I also have to say that you have to keep in mind that there are a lot of variables at play. So you might think, okay, great, a physiotherapist is the perfect career to pursue because AI will have a lot of difficulty, stepping into that role. But there might be other variables. What if we have supplements in medicine that help you to recover so quickly that you don't even need a physiotherapist? Okay, so just keep in mind that we are talking about a lot of change rapidly and many, many variables that we're working with. The next one is linked to physical human touch, and it's trust. So trust takes a long time to build. I constantly ask my students, who would you prefer, a human brain surgeon operating on your brain or an AI robot with a 99% accuracy rate? And an astonishing amount of students still prefer the human. And that just speaks of trust. And that's normal. So I think it's going to take a long time for a large percentage of the population to trust an AI in various areas of our lives. And the final one that I think is a big one is scarcity. So Taylor Swift can only be in one place at one time, and that makes Taylor Swift valuable. Now, I want you to think about other things in the world that are scarce. This could be tangible or digital products like Bitcoin. And if you can produce something that's scarce, or if you can become somebody that is scarce, you immediately bring value to the table. Obviously, I'm thinking about this on a daily basis, and perhaps you have some good ideas that you can share, and perhaps we can add that to the list. But these are the three big ones that I think we can focus on for now. I'll see you in the next one.